Alright, hello everybody. Today's video is not for audio technology, but it is for Siemens Drive IQ 500 washing machine, approximately 9 years old machine. So story begins when emptying the machine. There were rattling sound heard when I rolled the drum inside, the metal drum, and obviously it was a mechanic, so mechanic failure, some kind of or something inside the washing drum. So I tried to look inside underneath the metal drum from the front, but it's not possible. And also I don't want to remove the seal, door seal. Also it's very hard to put back. So I can show you here. So this is the back side of this machine, and here is the backlit. And I removed the backlit. It's approximately 10 to 15 screws, Torx 20 screws, and lucky me, I have Torx screwdrivers. I don't want to mess up with the screws. So, and then I removed here is the heating element, and it is like this here. And like so, and just few taps here, and took some photos. Also a little bit assistance, so it will came off, and there was some plastic system inside which was rattling. There's also a driving belt here, so I just remove it. It's very simple to remove. Driving belt goes here, and here's the motor. So now I just have to assemble it and make a test drive. Okay, have a nice day, bye.